Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, today, y'all, I'm taking a little break, maybe 1 day break from the air fry videos. I'm gonna do an old school recipe in the oven. I'm making some old school barbecue neck bones. Neck bones is something we grew up with and ate a lot in growing up as a kid. On the farm and growing up, when you're raising hogs, you throw away nothing. And to me, this is one of my favorite part of the pig is the neck bone. We can eat them fried, we eat them boiled, baked. But today I'm gonna eat them barbecued in the oven. I'm gonna show y'all how to barbecue them in the oven for about an hour, and usually take about an hour and 15 minutes in my process. I do the same, pretty much same process as I do my pork ribs. If you ever seen, I'll leave a link at the end of this video to my oven baked barbecue ribs. So we're gonna do the same process. Okay, what I've already done, I let these marinate for 24 hours. All I did, I put worcestershire sauce on them and some of this pig shake, old school pig shake. You can use any kind of barbecue seasoning you want, but I just put that on there because this is a new, the shakes that Uncle Steve Shake has out. This is awesome on pork. It just does the thing for me. So you can use any barbecue seasoning you want. So all I'm gonna do, put them in the pan. I got a foil in the pan there for cleanup purposes. I'm gonna just put the neck bones in here. Get them out there. Make sure they're even as you can get. Very important. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 400 degrees, uncovered, for 400 degrees. So what I want to do, I want to get a nice color on these ribs, extract a lot of the water out of them, that's not the important part. The most important part is getting a good sear on them, sear all that good seasoning on them, sear it together for about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes, but it usually takes no more than 20 minutes on uncovered on 400 degrees. After that, we're going to take them out. We're going to brush some thick barbecue sauce, whatever barbecue sauce, a thick one though. I use two types. I use a thick one and a thin one. We want a thick one. I'm going to brush a thick barbecue sauce on them. That's why I want to sear them all first to get that good crust sear on them. Then I put the barbecue sauce on them, brush that on there, and then I'm going to put foil on them and completely seal the pan, put a little water in it. Not much, a little water in it, which is going to create a steam. That's why you need to seal it very good with the aluminum foil. It's going to create a steam. We're going to cook it about 30-45 minutes more, and we're going to have the most tender, flavorful neck bones you ever had. And I'm going to make me some macaroni and cheese to go with it. And I'm going to leave it, and y'all seen me make macaroni and cheese so many times, so I ain't going to do a video on that. So anyway, I'm going to get this, put this in the oven like this, uncovered. Just like this. I ain't going to do nothing to it, put no liquid in it, because it's going to have some liquid in it once it cooks. That's common sense. And after we get it out of the oven, I'll show you the next step. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. And this is what I'm looking for, y'all. 30 minutes in the oven. And see that nice color on them? Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to take some thick barbecue sauce and brush on here. Just right on the top, real liberally, y'all. Want a lot of sauce on there because as this cooks, the sauce is gonna, go away. But we're gonna brush one more time after this 40 minutes is up. So I cooked it 30 minutes already. We're gonna cook it another 40 to 45 minutes, depending on how tender they get. Because every one of them's different. Every neck bones are different. So let's put a lot of sauce on here, because like I say, as this cooks, the sauce is going to drip off. So we'll make sure we got a lot of it on here. And use whatever thick barbecue sauce you want to use. You can use Kraft barbecue sauce. You can use Sweet Baby Ray's. That's a good thick sauce. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little water, maybe half a cup. Slowly go to the side. You don't want to pour it on top. This is going to create the moisture that you're looking for. It's going to allow them to cook. A little bit more. And that's it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this with foil, completely seal it. With foil, I'm gonna cook it about 40 more minutes. So this takes about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half total cooking time. So we're gonna cook another hour and another 30, 45 minutes. Check the tenderness of it. It should be fork tender by then. And then we'll see how it is. Y'all see I got my macaroni and cheese. It's ready to go in the oven also. While I was away, it took me exactly 30 minutes to put this macaroni and cheese together. Y'all seen me do videos of my macaroni and cheese. All I gotta do now is just put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, let it bubble up and get golden brown. And I'm gonna have me some good macaroni and cheese and neck bones. So we'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, we are back here. I just took the neck bones out the oven. We're gonna see what we got here. I had them in for exactly 40 minutes. See what we got here. Nice and tender, y'all. That's what I want. Look how tender that is. Falling off the bone tender. Now, what I want to do now, I want to drain this liquid off. I'm going to put them back in the oven for about 10 more minutes just to caramelize the... I'm going to pour this liquid off. You don't have to pour the liquid off if you don't want to, but I don't like the liquid on there. Okay, now pour the liquid off of there. Now I'm gonna put some more barbecue sauce on here, but this time we're gonna leave it uncovered, and we're gonna caramelize this barbecue sauce on here. Like I said, we're gonna put on about 10 minutes. These are nice and tender. Nice color on them, because you know the other barbecue sauce, like I say, turn into a liquid. This one we want to have that nice sticky, you know, that barbecue. You know, you don't have to do this. I like mine have that nice sticky barbecue taste to them. A little bit more. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven 10 minutes, uncovered. We're gonna kick it back up to 400 degrees. Back to the original thing. So let's reiterate where I did. We started for 20 minutes uncovered, initial cooking. We took it out of the oven, put barbecue sauce on it, covered it up, cooked it 40 more minutes, took it out, drained the liquid out, put more barbecue sauce on it, put it back in the oven 10 minutes, get that caramelization. It's gonna be a perfect I'm saying oxtail neck bone. So we'll be right back when they're ready. Okay, y'all, we back. They are ready here. They are ready. Let me get this little piece right here, y'all. The neck bone. Let me get me some got me some macaroni and cheese here. Macaroni and cheese I made earlier. A macaroni and cheese on here. Can't go wrong with this. Shoot. That's a meal right there, y'all. Macaroni and cheese. I keep wanting to say oxtail. I guess I need to make some oxtail. I keep saying that. A little macaroni and cheese is good. But that's not alright with her. See how tender this is? Look at that. I folded. Coming off the bone. Best way to eat neck bones, y'all. Best way to eat neck bones. Look at that. A tender that coming up there. It's in an hour and a half. Hour and a half, y'all. Don't get no better than that. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Barbecue oven baked barbecue neck bone. Don't get no better. Let me get a little bit more macaroni. And mac and cheese. Old school mac and cheese. Neck bone. It's on. So anyway, it's a very simple recipe. Some people not into pork neck bones. Everybody into macaroni, but everybody into pork neck bones. Some people eat them boiled. This is another way to eat them. And they're so cheap. All these neck bones right here cost me $2.32 in the store. There's not a lot of meat on them, more bone than meat, but it's so much flavor on them. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment. I love reading the comments. Y'all notice I respond to every comment. Might not say anything, might not respond back, but I will give you a check mark, a thumbs up, and a heart. I respond to every comment. And you don't see many YouTubers that do that. I do that. And I have over 55,000 subscribers. And I make my goal to respond to everyone that takes time out of their day to write a comment. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, please comment, please share. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, remember the hashtag this year, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. See y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.